Come test drive the 2020 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, fog lights, clock, compass, trip computer, bucket seats, outside temperature gauge. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.